Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm showing you how to replace a fuse box link, part number 24380J A00A. So all you're going to need for this job is a 12mm socket. I like using a 12 point. You could use a 6 point if you want. So we're going to go ahead and start taking off the nut. And the new fuse link box already comes with 2 brand new nuts, so you don't have to worry about reusing your old ones. So on both sides of the fuse box link, there's 2 wiring harnesses held on by some clips. So I'm using a screwdriver to undo each side due to the fact that my finger's too big, so I won't be able to use my fingers. So now we're going to reconnect the 2 harnesses at the bottom of the fuse link box. The gray harness goes to the left side and the black one goes to the right side. Then after that, I'm going to use a wire wheel and clean up the terminal and before I put it back on and install it. And that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.